What's up, guys? It is Prime Day, and I thought I'd do a quick video with my top 10 RV, Skoolie, camping type deals. I found some really good deals for Prime Day. I know we only got a few hours left. There will be affiliate links in the description, and also if you're not a Prime member, there will be a 30-day free trial link in the description. Check them out. Here is our first deal. This is something I found, was a diesel heater. It is normally $144. It is now $97, which is like a $47 markdown. So it's pretty amazing. The next deal I found is this portable power bank. This would be good if you're in a school bus or something, you don't have your stuff. It even comes with its own solar power panel, so you can hook that up. It's 500 watt, and it's got a 100 watt solar panel, which is pretty amazing. It's normally $539, and you can get it on Prime for $431 right now. So that's like $100 off. Next item I found is the Set Power AJ30 portable refrigerator, and it's 32 quart, and it does freezer and fridge. It's normally $189, and you can get it for $151. So that's a $37 discount. Next item, which this is good for anybody, RV, Skoolie, big van, anything you do. It is the 4-camera backup system. It's the Zero X Club, and its normal price is $259.99, and you can get it for $207, which is a $52 discount. So it's pretty amazing. And all these, I've been looking at the trends on make sure they're not just reduced for Prime Day. I did go back and use an app to show me if they're just being marked down. And these are good deals. So the next item is the outdoor rug, and this is good. A lot of times you go to a campsite and you have nothing but dirt, and it's nice to keep you off the dirt. This is normally $59.99. They can get it for $39.99 now, so $20 off. Here's something that's good if you're building your Skoolie or RV, the Beetle Tape. This helps seal up the roof. You can use this for all kinds of things. This is normally $28.99, and you can get it for $23.99, which is $5 off. But as much as you need this stuff, that's a good deal. For safety, I found this tire pressure monitor, and it's actually solar powered, so you don't got to worry about it charging or having plug in. And it's got the 4 sensors, so you can put it on 4 of your wheels. This is good if you got RV or camper or truck, anything. It's very important, especially when towing. So this is definitely recommended. Then if you're building your Skoolie or your bus, you definitely want to have a water filtration system. This one here is normally $60, and it's now $47, so that's a $12 discount. Pretty good little deal. And number 9 I found is the door lock system. This is made for RVs, but some people put RV doors in their Skoolies. So this is definitely a good buy. They're normally $128.99, and you can get it for $109.19, so a $19.80 discount. So for Prime Day, that's pretty awesome. And then one of the best deals I found is this Soft Start RV. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with this, but you can put this on your regular air conditioner, and it makes it so that you can use a smaller generator. These are really beneficial. You guys should do some research on them. Well, I didn't know these existed until a year ago or so, but it makes so you can use a much smaller generator and don't need as much watts for the start of the air conditioner. So these are normally $219.99, and for Prime Day it's $175.99. So $44 difference. So definitely check these items out. Like I said, there's a link in the description. And there's also a link tree with all my socials on it. And I also created an Amazon shopping list with all these items in there so you can see, pick what you want. So yeah, Prime Day's pretty awesome for Skoolie owners, RV owners, bus owners. So yeah, check out the links and check you later.